everyone, it's Amber and I'm back with a really fun Valentine idea for you. So this is going to be a super quick tutorial. It is adorable and I can't wait to show you what I made. So what you're looking at here is just some scraps that I had left over from the La La Love collection by Crate Paper. And then of course these adorable shaker stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby. Went a little crazy and I got several packages of them. But I had an idea on what I could do. So I took it out of the plastic here so I could show you. They've got like little mini seed beads in there and they're sparkly and so cute. So I decided that I want to make some paper clips out of these. It's so fun to make paper clips, and you can use scraps of paper from any collection or any paper pad that you have. So those shaker stickers on the side, the right side of the screen, those are actually from the collection. So if you can't find these ones on the left from Hobby Lobby, then you can always try to find the La La Love ones, and they're a little bit bigger. But today we're going to use the ones from Hobby Lobby. I'm showing you the gold paper clips I use. These are the jumbo paper clips in a 100 pack from Staples. So I'm also using this really cute heart punch. I wish I would have had one a little bigger, and I do have a 1-inch one somewhere, but I couldn't find it. So that I believe is a 1/2-inch heart punch. And then I'm using these clear bags. So these right here, I will zoom in on the item number, but those are from clearbags.com. I'll link these exact ones below. So all you have to do is click on the link and go and get them. And I also have a coupon code LYRIC10, and I'll leave that below as well. So let's get started on the tutorial. So to start out, I cut this paper down to fit in those clear bags that I showed you. So I cut my paper down to 3 1/4 by 5, and then a little strip that measures 1 by 5. So I did 4 here, but you can do as many as you want. And all you're going to do, like I said, is do the 3 1/4 by 5 piece with a 1 by 5 piece. And you just take one of these sets, and with a stapler or a tiny attacher, I'm using my Tim Holtz tiny attacher, you put the strip about 2/3 or 3/4 of the way down and just basically make a belly band. Staple the edges. And if you don't have one of these tiny attachers, they're really handy for embellishment making and things like that. I'll link it below for you. So then you just do this to all of the other ones that you've made.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner.
This is where the little heart punch comes in. I just used a scrap of paper, and I'm going to punch out a bunch of these little hearts. If you have any type of small punches, it'll work. You can use a circle punch, like a 1-inch circle punch would work. You might have to trim it a little bit, but you'll see where I use this. So I just used this punch with some scraps that I had and cut a bunch out, because what this does is it covers the little glue dot or the hot glue that you're going to put on the back of the paper clip to make the embellishment stick. And this just covers it up and gives it a little decorative touch. So now it's time to do the fun part. You just take a paper clip, make sure that the paper clip has the little part that goes on the paper at the bottom, because I've made that mistake before. So you're going to put the embellishment at the top of the paper clip. You want to do like a dab of hot glue or some really strong glue here. Just a tiny little dot. Try not to get glue everywhere like I did. But then you just take that heart punch and cover it up, and it seals it and also kind of keeps it more secure. And then you just set it aside to dry. So let's do another one. Isn't that cute? Look at the little shaker beads in there and her little eyelashes. They're so adorable. So we're going to make a whole bunch here and make little sets. But I just think these are super cute. And I love how they have gold trim on the outside that go perfectly with the gold paper clip. So then I'm gonna pick another color and do another one of these.
Watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love.
So I ended up making 12 paper clips, which is an entire pack of those shaker stickers from Hobby Lobby. And each one of these little cards that we made with the paper can hold 4. So we're going to make 3 packs here, So easy. They look so nice and finished with the clear bags. I'm so excited to show you. So it really could not be easier. You just take your cute little card with the belly band and you can slip 4 of these little paper clips on here. Just imagine how many of these you could make with all of your dimensional stickers that you have or little embellishments that you might have in your stash. Paper clips are really inexpensive and you can make these and dress them up so cute and hand them out to your pen pals or your friends or even sell them at your craft fair, anything. Once we put these in those clear bags that I showed you, just wait till you see how pretty they look in there. It looks so nice. And the best part is it's a handmade gift that you can hand out to your friends. Just look how adorable. So just take your clear bag now and make sure that the long flap is facing up. Just so easy. Just slip that in there and look how nice and finished this looks. It just looks really, really pretty. And I love how they're all lined up on the paper. So the paper is decorative and so are the paper clips. And then of course, if you use double-sided paper, it'll be nice and cute on the back too. So there they are, a cute little package of paper clips. Now let's package up the rest of these.
There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by. I fall in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you're inspired to try these out. If your Hobby Lobby doesn't have these stickers, you can totally use anything from your stash, like any dimensional embellishments you have, flowers, buttons, and make this project your own. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And let me know in the comments what you think. And also, if you want to see sneak peeks of my upcoming projects and things like that and little announcements, please follow me over on Instagram. I'll make sure to link it below for you so you can just click on it and it'll take you right over there. And please let me know in the comments if you have an Instagram so I can make sure I'm following you. Again, thank you so much for your support and for watching this video. And I will be back very soon with another cute Valentine project. And I hope that you have a great weekend. Thanks again, everyone. Bye.
I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.